Exercise 4.2, question number 2. ABCD is a trapezium. Trapezium means you know it's a quadrilateral. One pair of opposite sides are parallel, right? ABCD is a trapezium in which AB and DC are parallel. P and Q are points on AD and BC. So P is a point on AD, Q is a point on BC respectively, such that PQ parallel to DC. Already you know AB is parallel to DC. Now it is given this PQ is parallel to DC. So all these three lines are parallel, right? So PQ is parallel to AB as well. Now PD they given us, PD is 18 centimeter. PD is 18 centimeter. BQ is 35 centimeter. BQ is 35 centimeter. QC 15 centimeter. They asked to find AD. AD means the full length they are asking. Okay, so this full length they are asking AD. So for that, what I am going to do, I am taking PA as X. Let PA is equal to X. After finding X, don't stop there. They asked to find what? AD. AD means the full length, 18 plus X. So after finding X, you add that 18 also. Okay. Now here we need a construction. So join BD. Join BD. So these two you join. Okay, now we consider this triangle. First I'm taking ABD. In triangle ABD, this point I'm taking to say R. In this triangle, PR is parallel to AB. So by basic proportionality theorem, you can say dP by PA. dP by PA is equal to dr by RB. Right? This by this equal to this by this. Okay, that's what you written. Now you go to the other side. Here you can see a triangle, right? You take that triangle. What's the name of that triangle? In triangle DBC. In triangle DBC, there also two lines are parallel, right? This DC and RQ are parallel. DC parallel to RQ. DC is parallel to RQ. So again by basic proportionality theorem, listen, CQ by QB is equal to dr by RB, right? CQ by QB. CQ by QB is equal to dr by RB. dr by RB. And I'm taking this as equation number 2 and this as equation number 1. If you see 1 and 2, the right sides are equal, right? dr by RB, here also dr. So left sides are equal, dP by PA. dP by PA is equal to CQ by QB. Substitute the values dP. See what is dP? dP is 18. So 18 by PA. PA we have taken as what? X. PA or AP, it is X. CQ, see the diagram? CQ 15 by QB or BQ, it is 35. Now listen how to simplify this. 5 table cancel, 3 and 7. Now this 3 and 18 you cancel 6 times, right? So here nothing. So X into 1. X is equal to 6 7s are 42. This is X value, don't stop. They asked to find AD. AD is equal to X plus 18. AD is equal to X plus 18. X value 42. 42 plus 18. So your answer is 60 centimeter. Okay. So basic proportionality theorem we applied 2 times, right? You are getting the answer. Hope you understood this one.